All right. Thanks for joining. I realized I created videos for every single track, but I wanted to explore the other track. And what I really wanted to showcase was my experience around technical pre-sales. I spent, over 4 years, if you include the 10 year that Salesforce honored when I first joined. I was at Salesforce for just about 7 years. And what I found to be most successful in at Salesforce was being a technical pre sales architect, um, primarily specializing in Heroku and the Salesforce platform. Heroku is a platform as a service built on top of AWS designed to make developers more productive and more successful. It is highly compliant, and it fits well within the Salesforce ecosystem. What my experience and conversations when doing that job really led to was gaining expertise around data strategy, enterprise architecture, and how to make the most of Salesforce, given that most companies are invested in not just Salesforce, but a variety of different systems, whether it's on prem systems, systems in the cloud, custom built solutions that might be held on AWS, Azure, or GCP, as well as other marketing platforms or commerce platforms. And what I really enjoyed about this role was the ability to be very technical, stay hands on, and be able to build demos and showcase demos and present demos to a wide variety of people and professionals. I found that I could talk about very technical aspects to not just the most technical people at different companies, but also to people less technical. And that challenge to me has been one of the most exciting parts about this role, and it's really my main focus in terms of where I want to find a job next. I left Salesforce to pursue post sales consulting, and what I found there is that I do enjoy being hands on with technology, but working from project to project on a time and materials and billable aspect is not my specialty, and so I'm really looking to jump back into pre-sales engineering, and really looking for a company that I can continue to talk about very technical aspects and talk to developers, as well as talk to other business stakeholders to show them the value in an investment like Heroku. Uh, Data strategy and sort of multi systems integrations has been a very strong suit of mine. And I really feel passionate about being able to walk the walk and talk the talk. And what I mean by that is I find that going through the pain of actually implementing or building a demo allows me to go into a sales conversation and talk about um, a variety of different technical aspects that might come up without having to really um, code or showcase that in a confusing way that might put a deal at risk. Being able to have the experience to back the conversations that you have allows me to just talk and present and tell compelling stories and compelling solutions to every single piece of um, you know the audience that I'm working with. So that is sort of the main focus in terms of my technical specialties. Obviously, I have experience in databases, software engineering, presenting, and a wide variety of other aspects. But I figured I'd make this video as sort of the focus of who I am and what I'm looking to achieve in my next role. Thanks so much. Bye.